Hello, my name is Alejandra Palma. I'm a tutor at Riverside Middle School, and today I'll talk to you guys about ecology. What is it that ecologists do, and what are the different types of ecosystems that we have in our system? So let's get started with this video. Intro to ecology. Ecology is the study of the relationships between living things and their surroundings or environment. Scientists who work in ecology are called ecologists. Ecologists examine how living things depend on one another for survival. They also study how living things use natural resources such as air, soil, and water to stay alive. And like you interact in different ways with your environment at the park, all living things do the same in their surroundings. Ecologists study the interactions between living things and their environment. These interactions occur at different levels: individuals, populations, communities, and ecosystems, which experience different kinds of interactions with their environment. A population is made up of all members of the same species living within a given area, and a single member of a population is called an individual. The area where a population lives can vary in size. For example, the pine trees in a forest are a population as the great white sharks in an ocean, and bacteria that lives in a person's large intestine are another example of a population. A population is described by its size and by how its individuals are spread out over a given area. The many different populations that interact with one another in an area are called a community. For example, a forest community contains trees, plants, mammals, insects, earthworms, and many tiny living things such as fungi and bacteria in the soil. The members of a forest community rely on one another for survival. An ecosystem is made up of all the communities and non-living materials in an area. Ecosystems on land can be found on forests, grassland, tundra, and deserts. Saltwater and freshwater ecosystems exist in oceans, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. So now for a recap. Ecology is important because it shows how changes in the environment affect the survival of living things. For example, when pollution kills certain living things, the animals that fed on them may also die. The work of ecologists has convinced many people to conserve or protect the environment and all the ecosystems that it supports. Remember, you guys still have access to tutor.com. Your username is your student ID and your password is Ysleta to you, and somebody will always be available to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys learned something new about ecology today. Thank you.